Early one morning while making the rounds, I took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. I went right home and I went to bed. I stuck at 1144 beneath my head. Got up next morning and I grabbed that gun, took a shot of cocaine and away I run. Made a good run, but I run too slow. They overtook me down in Juarez, Mexico. Laid in the hot joints, taking the pill. In walked the sheriff from Jericho Hill. He said, Willie Lee, your name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shot your woman down. Said, yes, oh yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you've got a warrant, just to read it to me. Shot her down because she made me slow. I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more. When I was arrested, I was dressed in black. They put me on a train and they took me back. Had no friend for to go my bail. They slapped my died carcass in that county jail. Early next morning, about 9:30, I spied a sheriff coming down the line. Up then he coughed as he cleared his throat. He said, come on, you dirty hack, into that district court. Into the courtroom my trial began, where I was handled by 12 honest men. Just before the jury started out, I saw that little judge come as to look about. In about 5 minutes in walked a man, holding the verdict in his right hand. The verdict read in the first degree. I hollered, Lordy, Lordy, have mercy on me. The judge, he smiled as he picked up his pen. 99 years in the Folsom pen. 99 years underneath that ground. I can't forget today I shut that bad bitch down. Come on, you gotta listen unto me. Lay off that whiskey and let that cocaine be. We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, gonna mess around. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson town.
Let's go on down to Jackson. Go ahead and wreck yourself. Go play your hand, you big talking man. Make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair.
I'm gonna snowball Jackson.
See if I can.
Well, when I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. You turn loose of my coat. I'm going to Jackson.
Goodbye, that's all she wrote. Let him laugh at you in Jackson, and I'll be dancing on a funny cake. Let it down, down like a scalded hound with your tail left between your legs. Yeah, go to Jackson, you big talking man, and I'll be waiting in Jackson. J-Pan
Now we got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, and
If you love this land of the free, bring 'em home, bring 'em home. Bring 'em back from overseas, bring 'em home, bring 'em home. It'll make the politicians sad, I know. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. They wanna tangle with their foe. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. They wanna test their grand theories. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. With the blood of you and me. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. We'll give no more brave young lives. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. For the gleam in someone's eyes. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. Men will cheer, the boys will shout. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. And we will all turn out. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. The church bells will ring with joy. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. To welcome our darling girls and boys. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. We'll lift our voice in song. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home. When Johnny comes marching home. Bring 'em home, bring 'em 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 home. Bring 'em back from overseas. Bring 'em home,
bass, Larry Taylor. Drums, Ron Solico. Saxophone, Kevin Solomon. And trumpet, Drew Mitchell. Thank you, everyone.
I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Tear us apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart is the start of every night and every day. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be in no better place. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Oh, tear us apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. Each time you leave me, I start losing control. You're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you even when I'm alone. Oh, baby, never go.
There was a time when I was so broken-hearted. Love wasn't much of a friend of mine. The tables have turned, cause me and their ways have parted. That kind of love was the killing kind. So listen. All I want is someone I can't resist.
Saint-Michel and old Beaujolais wine. And I recall that you were mine in those Parisian days. Looking back at the photographs, those summer days spent outside Corner Cafe. Oh, I could write you paragraphs about my old